Get ready for the latest scoop on Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor set to debut in October, this powerhouse is generating both excitement and skepticism. But what's behind the hype? Let's dive into the details. First, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process node, prioritizing energy efficiency over raw performance. But here's the twist: internal testing reveals that the Adreno 750 GPU delivers performance comparable to the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 AP, but with a whopping 50% reduction in power consumption. Sounds impressive, right? But hold on, there's more. The custom Oron CPU cores are reportedly showing only a single-digit % performance increase compared to current chipsets like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Is this a step forward or a step back? Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is generating buzz, but not entirely for the right reasons. With a rumored redesign on the horizon, many users expected a significant upgrade, but the latest leaks suggest otherwise. First, the battery capacity remains unchanged at 5,000 mAh, with no increase in charging capacity, still capped at 45W. This might not be the upgrade users were hoping for, especially when compared to Samsung's Chinese competitors, who are pushing the boundaries with larger batteries in their flagship models. But that's not all. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor is rumored to be power-hungry, which could lead to concerns about battery life. Will the S25 Ultra's battery capacity be enough to keep up with the demands of this new processor? Moreover, the fact that some internal components, like the battery, will remain unchanged despite the redesign raises questions about Samsung's strategy. Are they playing it safe or missing an opportunity to innovate? Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is a tale of two stories. On one hand, the rumored redesign promises a fresh new look, but on the other hand, concerns about battery life and performance threaten to offset this progress. Will Samsung's bold design move be enough to sway you, or will the potential drawbacks hold you back? Share your thoughts on this dilemma in the comments below. Are you excited about the S25 Ultra's new design and willing to overlook its limitations? Hesitant due to concerns about battery life and performance? Or perhaps you're waiting for more information before making a decision? Let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest tech news and updates.